how are you? And welcome back to my channel. Today is the intro of the project pan that I'm gonna be participating in. This is gonna be a collab. It's a project pan that's called Partners in Cream, and I love that. It's about using cream or liquid products, and it was created by Steph Lyons and Darling from Outward Processing. And the rules are that we choose 3 to 5 products, and it's a rolling project pan. It's a year-long project pan, but it could be longer, and I'll be giving monthly updates. So the start of the project pan is January 10th, 2020, and I'm hopeful that I can finish at least a few of these products before 2020 is over. Cream products are hard to work with. Cream products are something that we need to focus on just to try and finish them. I have here 6 products. I set myself a high goal because I think 2 of them that I'll be able to finish quickly. At least 1 of them I will be able to finish quickly. I'll be using a little scale to weight them and see my progress that way, but I will show you anyway because a lot of them you can't see their progress. I found out about this project because of a video that Too Much Tash made, and I just love project panning, and this was perfect because this year is gonna be my project pan year and my loving my stuff type of year. So you will see updates monthly on these products, and I'm excited. I can't wait because one of the rules for my project of the year is just to not buy any cream products. I have here an exception because I have one Stila shadow that I added here, but I love those and I actually finished them. But highlighters, bronzers, blushes, they're hard for me to finish, so I even have products waiting until I finish one of these to enter the rotation because I need to go through a lot of cream products, because even if I have 10 more in my collection, they're a lot because I never use creams. Before we go, just go and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. I'm going through a project pan year, a year of loving my stuff, because I have a project this year of organizing my finances and paying off my debt, and at the same time loving the makeup that I have before it expires. The lipstick that I'm wearing on my lips today is the one from my seasonal project pan, and it's the Real lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love it. It's so bright and beautiful. And without further ado, if you want to see the products that I chose for my Partners in Cream project pan, then just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so the information of the project pan will be below. Same with the weight of the products. I will leave them and I will link them below, as well as my lippy. And let's just start. This is a product that I got last year, and I used it about twice, and I know that I can use it up, and I know I can use it more if I put it in a project pan, because I don't know why I haven't been reaching for this formula. This is the Suede formula, Suede shade liquid eyeshadow formula. I haven't been using this one at all, and the other ones I finished. The Glitter and Glow and the Shimmer and Glow, I finished a ton of them, and I always have them on my wish list to repurchase because I go through them on my makeup artistry kits as well. So this shade, it's basically brand new. I used it twice, and I truly want to just finish it completely. And I know this formula won't be the one for me to purchase, but it's a nice shade. Maybe I will fall in love with it in the way, as I have been doing with all the Stila shadows or glitters that are this type of product. The second product here is the Stila Convertible Color Dual Lip in the shade Peony. I love this formula. I know that if I had a bronzer in this formula, it would be my favorite cream bronzer, but I don't. And I love this blush. It's just something that gets to me. I don't wear that many cream products, but this one I hit pan on, and I showed it in a makeup I hit pan on last year, and you will see right here that I have pan, but these will take forever to finish, so I will just put it in my drawer, and I know that from time to time I will use it. Even I will use it as a base for a blush or as the blush in itself. And I love doing an M shape with this type of products because it looks so natural and beautiful. This product is a regret of mine. This is the Versace Rose Gold Elixir. and these I don't like, but I don't want it to go bad, and it's old. It's an older product, and it still smells amazing. I love the scent, but I don't like oils on my face, so I will put a few drops on my cream for my body, and sometimes I will use it on my face at night, because during the daytime I will feel like I'm gonna die if I wear an oil. So this is one that I need to get through, and I need to finish. I need to finish soon. I don't want to finish it at the end of the year. I just want to get rid of it, and I know I prefer serums and toners on my skincare, and oils I do not like. This is rolling from my last year project pan. I even put it on my 10 before Christmas, and this was one of the products that I wasn't able to finish, but this is a product that has been loved. It has a tally mark right there, but you can see that this product doesn't have that much left in it. But I always tell this to you guys, I will not be the person that will waste product in order to succeed in a project pan, because that will not be successful at all. If I just waste my products to show to you that they're empty, I'm just wasting money and throwing money away, and you only need the tiniest drop for this highlighter for your entire face. So I'm not gonna waste it. I'm gonna use it the way it's meant to be used, and I love it. I thought at one point that I would repurchase, but I prefer my What's Up by Benefit. That one is easier to work with, and it can go on top of powder. So if I have to keep only one cream highlighter, it would be that one. So I know I will not repurchase, but this was amazing. If you have dry skin and you love putting a glowy product before your foundation, this looks beautiful underneath your foundation. It's just for me, I'm oily and I live in a humid weather, so that's not even an option for me. This was one of my panic purchases for 2018 at the end of the year, before my Nova year, and this is NARS Cappadoce Multiple, and it's a matte multiple, and you can see it right here. This is brand new because I didn't use it this past year. It's completely new, and I will weight it like I said, but I don't know why. I think I can finish this. If I use this every day to contour or to bronze, I think I'll be able to finish this one up, and it would be a good thing for me to finish it. I don't think that I will ever purchase cream bronzer, even though I love them, because the one and only that I want, and I just want to repurchase that and be good with cream bronzers, is the one from Chanel. The Soleil Tan de Chanel is my favorite, so I just want to use that, and that would be it. And then last but not least for this project, I have this one from Burberry. This is the Fresh Glow Golden Radiance number 2 Luminous Fluid Base, and this is basically a luminous primer, and I don't want this to just expire on me. I will not use this as a primer. I will use this more to add a little bit of to my shoulders or to my legs and mix it with my body moisturizer. This is the tally mark of it. You can see it right there. So I have a full bottle. This was sent to me. I don't remember if it was Oatly or Influencer, and I just want to use it up because it's not a product that I'm appreciating, and it's an expensive product. It's a Burberry product, so I truly need to just go ahead and finish it up completely. And that's it for this video, you guys. Those are my 6 products for the Partners in Cream project pan. I will let you guys know monthly my updates, and I'm happy that I'm starting the year with a lot of project pans and different project pans, because sometimes when you put all of the products in one project pan and it's not a rolling project pan or it's not a collab, you get frustrated and then you leave the products behind, and that's not gonna be the case this year because I already have a schedule of the videos that I want to put out there, and this works with my project, and I was successful in fulfilling my project last year for my Nova year, so I know I will be successful in finishing a ton of products for my project pan this year. So I'm happy for that, you guys. I'm thankful that you guys are watching. If you don't know anything about my project this year, I will leave it always linked below so that you guys can follow up. The more videos of this project pan that I do, I will do a playlist of each of the things that I do on my channel. I will have a playlist separately for each project pan, for my project progresses, for my makeup I've hit pan on. I used to have everything in a panning playlist, but that's just messy, and you guys, if you want to follow up, you can follow up and see the intro and all the videos from this project. And I will also leave linked below Tasha's channel and the people that created this collab because they're amazing for just thinking about it. That's it, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. And the emoji for today, if you watch the entire video, it will be something that's related to sassy, because that's the name of the shade of the Stila liquid eyeshadow. So just something related to sassy, guys. Put an emoji below if you watch the entire video. You can do this project pan with me and with everyone that's doing it, and just go and read the instructions that you have to follow to do it. But basically, you can just start to do it even if it's after today. That's not an issue, you guys. So that's it, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave the emoji below. Follow everyone that's related to this project pan, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.